You know what? Even after so many years in trading, I still sometimes notice new scam schemes. And just yesterday, I received a message on Telegram. A beautiful girl on a profile picture. A pocket option support in the description. Everything seems official, right? But you know what? It could have cost me my entire deposit. Today, I'll tell you how to not fall into the trap of these scammers' tricks. Because guys, this might be the most important pocket option video you'll watch. One mistake and your money is gone. So stay until the end. Here's take a look. Suspicious activity has been noticed on your account. It's a classic scam, and immediately a link to what appears to be pocketoption.com. Looks almost legit, right? But here's the thing. Official support never messages you first on Telegram. Remember this firmly. Pocket Option support only uses the email support@pocketoption.com and the ticket system on the trading platform. And that's it. No exceptions. And now for the most interesting part. Let me show you real scam schemes. See this channel? Follow us. We'll start once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Guess what happens next? That's right. Exclusive signals for your money. And while you think it's an investment, your money is already gone to the scammers. Oh, here's an even more interesting one. Phishing emails. See the email address? pocketoption.n@gmail.com. Looks genuine, right? But no, only support@pocketoption.com is valid. No alternatives. Now let's talk about how they try to steal your money through cryptocurrency. Here's a real example. Deposit to this manual reactivational BTC address. And then it goes, the address is linked to your email, a site for automatic deposits. Do you know how it ends? Exactly. With an empty wallet. And here's my favorite scheme. Hi, I'll help you recover your losses. Look how cleverly they operate. First, they ask how much you've lost. Then, they offer help through some trader. And finally, they ask for account access and, of course, a little money to get started. I offer a profitable weekly passive income. Seriously, guys, passive income without risk doesn't exist. If someone promises you guaranteed profits, run. Look how they pressure you with urgency. We need to check urgently. Only today. There's a little time. Classic scammer tactics. Create panic so you don't have time to think. Oh, and this one is pure genius. Rent out your account and I'll return 30% of the profits. And do you know what's the most dangerous part? They actually enable two-factor authentication on your account. Look how convincingly they fake proofs. Withdrawal request, ID, amount, everything looks official. But the completed status doesn't mean the money really arrived. Speaking of help with withdrawals, there was a case. A trader lost $5,000 because he trusted such a helper. Let me activate a special withdrawal for you. And boom, the money is gone. Forever. Now, let me show you how to actually protect your account. Because just having passwords isn't enough anymore. The first and the most important step, two-factor authentication. Yes, entering a code every time is inconvenient. But you know what? It's better to spend an extra 30 seconds than to lose your entire deposit. Let me show you how to set it up correctly. Go to the security page and find the two-factor authentication section. With it, you can protect your account by linking the Google Authenticator app. Why Google Authenticator? Because it's one of the most reliable methods of data protection. Click the Google button, check that your email is correct, and press the green button to receive an email with the link. Follow the link and you'll see a QR code. This is used to generate a login code. Scan it using the app and done. By the way, you can choose which sections to protect with 2FA. In the security section, you can find your login history. It includes details about the browser, device, IP address, country, and city used to access your account. On the same page, you can manage active sessions and log out from other devices. If you notice a suspicious login location or IP address, immediately terminate that session. The second step. A separate email for trading. Seriously, create a dedicated email just for Pocket Option. Why? Because if your primary email is hacked, You'll lose not only your money, but also access to your account. And now, let me teach you how to verify messages from support. Here's how it works. The email must be support@pocketoption.com. Any other address means it's a scam. An official email will never include urgent demands, requests to install software, links for verification, and demands to send money. Now, here are real stories. A subscriber shared this case. John had been trading for 3 years. He thought he knew all the tricks scammers use. But then Anna messaged him in a chat, claiming to be an experienced trader ready to help him recover losses. Anna shared screenshots of successful trades, reviews from grateful clients, and evil trading videos. Everything seemed perfect. John trusted her and lost $3,000. Here's another case. Mary received a message from support about suspicious activity on her account. Scared, she clicked the link, entered her details, and within 5 minutes, all her money was withdrawn. Here's how Pocket Option support actually works. If you have an issue, log into the platform, create a ticket, describe your issue, and wait for a response in the same ticket. And that's it. No let me DM you on Telegram, no special recovery protocols. Now, let's cover the latest scams that have just appeared in recent days. Loss compensation via a smart contract. They promise to return all your losses. They ask you for a small amount to activate the refund, and they show fake transactions. Crisis trading program. Allegedly from official support, they guarantee profits during the crisis. They require a verification payment. Investment partnership. They offer a share of a large deposit. They promise to split the profits. They ask you to prove reliability by sending money. Do you know why I made this video? Because every day I see new victims of these schemes. And you know what's most frustrating? In 99% of cases, this could have been avoided. Just remember, support will never message you first. Only support@pocketoption.com and the ticket system are official. Never give anyone access to your account. Don't believe in guaranteed profits. Don't rush if someone is pressuring you. If this video saved your money, share it with other traders. You must save someone else's deposit. And in the comments, share your stories of encountering scammers. It will help others learn to recognize them. That's it. Trade safely and see you in the next video.